Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, December 16th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Market did just close up. I want to take a quick look at economic reports. Haven't done that in a while. And see exactly what we're going to be contending with this upcoming week. We're going to go look at next week. We're going to change this over to U.S. reports only. And apply. Right, so we're looking at the 15th through the 21st. Okay, so bottom line is red and orange reports are what I'm looking at. So Monday we've got 8:30 and 9:45. 8:30 is not that big a deal. 9:45 market's open. We've got PMI. These are during the pre-market, so I'm not too worried about it, as was this. Right, pre-market right here, buildings. Crude oil every Wednesday, not that big a deal, but it is during the market hours. Fed up, 2 o'clock, 2:30. This is where we're expected 94% or something, 1/4% rate drop. So used to saying the word hike, right? 8:30 on Thursday. We got a couple of them, 10 a.m. existing home sales. And then on Friday, the core PCE report is a big report. I'm not too worried about the revised consumer sentiment. We wish the government could get it right the first time so we don't have to have a revised consumer sentiment. I mean, you are the government. You do have all the numbers. Really? Come on now. So let's separate this out of here. Let me go ahead and bring a this one in. Actually, let's go over to template with moving averages on there. So I want to see the entire fib on here. There we go. So overall, nothing crazy. I mean, this week has kind of been blah. We had bearish day on Monday, bearish day on Tuesday, nice bullish day Wednesday, but lower high. Bearish day again yesterday, and today we wind up down 16 cents. So flattish, bearish, but a black candle. We opened up higher on the day than we actually closed. So a decent sized body on the S&P. But overall, we're looking at that recent all-time high, which is 6,100 right there. That's really the focus right now. We hit it up here, last week. Came close enough to it this week. I'm not sitting there saying, oh my God, we didn't hit it now, the world's coming to an end. Nope, don't think that at all. But I do believe we're going to contend with a little bit of craziness along the way. Right? So when we look at it right now, downside targets, we're in a bullish neutral bias rank of 1. We're looking at 6,008, 6,000, 6,011 and a half, which is the 21 moving average, 59.90 and a half. All of this area is a blue zone. All an area of contention right now for us to be concerned with. Right, on the upside, the 6,100 rather, and the 61.16, both fairly close. But the next step, is 61.72. That's the 100% extension off of this pullback right here, that letter C, move up. So the same distance from A to B, start to finish on the fibs, from C to this green line, which overlaps with the negative 618. The 61.72.53. Right, if we go look at the VIX, fear, let's go see what fear is telling us today. Ain't telling me nothing. We're fairly low on the low scale. We're at 1384. I don't really care. There's nothing about it that gives me any real cause for concern. We have been lower in the past, but at 13, we're dealing with really nice options prices now. You get the anomaly of things that go awry as far as pricing goes, but overall, we're real good on options pricing, so I'm not concerned one bit. Right, so for the upcoming week, keep your eyes on the recent all-time high. That's what we're expecting there. If we violate the 21 moving average, that's where the concern has to start stepping in. This whole area of strength. If you're a Fibonacci watcher, you know that fib is there, that the negative 272. If you're using ABCs, you know that level is there. If you're using 1,000-point levels, that's there. Moving average, that's it. Each different segment of the market watching a certain level. We're happen to be watching all of the key metrics right now, on all 4 of them happening in one spot. We violate it, even on a wick. Be very careful on the opening of those upcoming days then, that we don't violate and continue to push through. With that, have a great rest of your day. I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now, folks.